Hola clase, hoy es jueves, el 28 de mayo. Today we are going to read Estos pájaros. Simple book, we're just going to read about all kinds of birds. And you're going to learn how to say them in Spanish. So let's get started. Escrito por Rochelle Rice. Estas palomas. Estos halcones. Estos cuervos. Estos búhos. Estas águilas. Estos gansos. Estos pavos. Estos pájaros. Okay, were you able to figure out a lot of these words on your own with the help of the pictures, I hope? Let's see. I'll quickly review in English and then we'll move on to our Google form for today. These doves. These falcons. These crows. These owls. These eagles. These geese. These turkeys. These birds. Okay, feel free to please rewind, go back to the beginning to review this book before moving on to today's Google form. Okay, Semana 10, Estos pájaros, reading workshop. By the end of class, you will be able to answer questions in Spanish about all kinds of birds. Instructions. Listen as I describe pictures from the book in Spanish. Choose the correct picture I'm describing in Spanish. All right. Key vocabulary check. What does estos or estas mean? This, these, or they. Next, let's move on to our second key vocabulary check. It's a matching. Notice for this, you will have to read the first line and then pick your answers, which is on the first line of the grid. So for pájaros, choose the correct answer here. Or for búhos, choose the correct answer. Cuervos, halcones, same. All of these, this matching section is worth 8 points. Now let's move on to our reading workshop listening comprehension quiz. Número 1. I'm going to describe a picture and then you pick the picture I'm describing. Número 1. Estas son águilas. Número 2. Estos son búhos. Número 3. Estos son halcones. Número 4. Estos son gansos. Número 5. Estos son cuervos. Número 6. Estos son pavos. And that's it for today. ¿Qué palabras nuevas aprendieron hoy? ¿Les gustó la lección para hoy? ¿Tienen preguntas ustedes? Escriban tus comentarios aquí. And that's it. But please make sure that you go back and rewind, review the listening comprehension quiz, and review the entire Google form before you hit submit. Don't hit submit until you are completely sure that you understand what you heard and understood what you read. And go back and review the book as many times as you need. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Next week, I believe we have one more week for new tasks assigned, but I'll give you more information once I know more. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me, message me through Google Classroom, or if you are stuck on something, you can always request a Zoom meeting. So have a good day, guys, and I hope you guys have a good weekend.